Have you ever noticed a drug in the poultry industry that can cure most of your chicken diseases? Yes, we are known, or we have been used to using a specific drug on a specific disease, but after doing enough research, I came about drugs that can cure most of the chicken diseases, and that is none other than honey. When I say honey, I don't mean this drug for today's use, which they use calling their fiancés and they have the one honey. I'm meaning the honeybee or bee honey. So this bee honey, this that is collected from the nectar and the pollen grains, is a very good, wonderful medication for your chickens. And here is some of the first key points to note when you're starting to use honey. First of all, you have to use honey as a medication, not an everyday routine, because honey contains excess sugars that can cause a negative effect on your chickens. Because honey, chickens are not designed, we're not created by God so that they can consume too much sugar. It's not easy for them to combat the too much sugar they can take. So due to the fact that honey possesses too much sugar, it's not to be fed excessive to the chickens. Then again, you have to use the very good quality unprocessed honey. When I say unprocessed honey, I'm meaning the natural, the way it was got from the bees without being processed. Because when they're processing it, honey loses some of its qualities, and due to that, some of the nutrients, some of the properties are lost in processing. So which could be the benefit when you're starting to treat your chickens. Then again, you have to consider cleanliness. When you're going to start using honey, you have to make sure that the feeders or the drinkers you're using are much clean. Because if you don't do that, there may be a multiplication of a bacteria that can hinder or that can cause another problem in enterprise. To this YouTube channel, I'm Abraham Tumurame, here to make sure that you succeed in your poultry farming venture. If you're used to this YouTube channel, I have not been used to recording inside the house, but today it has been a very rainy day. So from the time when I woke up to now, the rain is still raining. So that's why I decided to record indoor or inside the house. So then you may ask yourself that what are the benefits of feeding honey to your chickens? Then first of all, it improves the gut health. Honey can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the chicken gut or in the chicken digestive system, and this improves the absorption of the nutrients in the small intestines. So whenever you're using honey, you are sure that the feed that the chicken is taking is going to digest and there is not going to be any other consequences when it comes to digestive disorders. Then again, you have to understand that when you're using honey, it boosts the immune system of your chickens. And honey possesses the antimicrobial properties and antioxidant properties, and this boosts the immune system of the chickens. And this can help chicken to be resilient when it comes to a situation when the chicken can fall sick. So the chicken which you're using, which you're feeding to honey with, will not usually fall sick each and every day. Then and as I told you before, honey possesses too much sugar, and you know that sugar is the source of the calories, or it is a disaccharide food, so which provides much energy. So when you're feeding honey, you're sure that the chickens are going to get amount of energy according to what they could be obtaining, and this is purely natural. It's not processed, and it's much of the boost, because when a chicken have energy, it is able to move, it is able to metabolize. Metabolism system cannot take a place without energy. So again, when you're using honey and your chickens are possessing the wood, because most of the chickens are used to fighting in most cases, especially when you're doing it on a large scale or when you're doing it on a small scale, but you're mixing it chickens which are not of the same age, or which are not used to each other. Then, because remember that a chicken has the ability to remember the 100 chickens they are living with for life, and when they are below 100 and you mix in other chickens, they tend to fight, trying to see which one is strong. And when they are more than 100, They tend to fight because they are constantly like seeing the new chickens in the chicken house, because the chicken has ability to master the 100 chickens it is living with. So it is more than 100. It constantly gets the new faces, hence fighting every time. So due to that, you have to you can start administering honey, because it is one, they can cause damage to each other, which honey can do very well when healing those wounds. And again, this reduction agent, it is very good when it comes to reducing stress, because whenever chickens are fighting, they get too much stress, or when they are getting introduced to new environments, they get stress. When you're introducing new feeds to the chickens, they get too much stress. So, and some studies suggest that honey can help in reduction of the stress in the chickens, particularly during those periods and the period of heat, because when a heat becomes too much or excess, the chickens also get stressed. So again, what you have to understand when you're feeding your chicken, your honey to your chickens, is that honey improves the feed intake. Yes, most of the people may not consider this as the more important thing, but yes, it is a more important thing when it comes to chicken production. Because when a chicken is not feeding too much, or when a chicken is not consuming enough of the feed, it is not going to grow faster. Again, it is not going to be much productive. So it is of the benefit to you when a chicken is consuming too much. It is going also to be producing a lot, because what it has produced, it's what takes it's what metabolizes, or it's what digests, and then afterwards it helps us to grow fast or to lay more. So it is much of the benefit, because so be helpful when it comes to the chickens that are sick. You know, when a chicken falls sick, it tends to abandon food and it abandons water. So this is the right time to start introducing honey to your chickens, because whenever you introduce honey to those chickens that are not now, that are feeling lazy, they doesn't want to feed, they doesn't want to drink, yes, it will increase their appetite and they will start feeding again, and this will prevent your chickens from dying. Then you might have heard this, and you think that now how am I able to introduce honey to my chickens, or what dosage should I be able to give to my chickens? Remember, I said that honey contains too much sugar, so it is not supposed to be offered daily to the chickens. This will be a negative effect to your production. So what can you do? What you have to do is you have to use this as a medicine. Think of the honey being used in the poultry as a medicine, not as a supplement or not as an additive. You know, it's a medication, it's a medicine. So, and you cannot use medicine daily. You know, whenever you're using medicine daily, it of course negative or impact your production or your chicken's production. So you have to use them in the only required specific time, i.e. during the times of stress, like maybe you have introduced the new chicken, you have introduced new feed, or the heat is too much. Then again, where you have to use it when the chicken is fallen sick and you want it to recover quickly, or you are medicating it, you can use it. And your chickens have started introducing the bad devices like picking each other, and like especially in the terms of cannibalism. And when you can again use it when your chicken develops a wound, and you smear them to the wound, and again you give a little in the mouth so that the wound can be healed very fast. Then what is the dosage when you are starting to use it? During those times I have told you, when you have to feed your chickens with the honey, you can use a half teaspoonful for 3 days, for 3 times daily, up to 4 days. I don't know whether you have understood me here. I'm saying that you have to use a half teaspoonful 3 times a day, then times 3 times a day for 3 days. Or maybe if you have many chickens and you're not going to be feeding a half teaspoonful to every chicken, it is required to use a half of the cup dissolved in 7 liters of the drinking water for at least 5 days. So if you're doing like this, you will be guaranteed that your chickens are going to be staying healthy, and you have to make sure that you use them as a medication, not as an additive. So then you might ask that when I think I've told you this, you know, cause told you that it can be beneficial for the sick chickens, and for weak chickens, if the chicken looks like the weak, it's when you have to use honey. And again, if you feel like your chicken doesn't have enough energy and you want to boost energy, then you can still use the honey. and it is also benefit during the times of stress, I have already told you, and again during the time when the chicken start molting. You know, especially like to these people who keep the purpose and layers for the for egg production, they reach at a certain time and start molting. To the people who may not understand what molting is when the chicken start shedding off their feathers due to maybe excess heat or the age they have reached on. Some of the chickens shed off their feathers because it is too much heat, or it is age that is approaching to them, so they are becoming old. So when they reach in this period, they become too much stressed, because at night they become very, very cold because they have lost their feathers. So it's a real time to start using honey. So again, you may ask that how can you administer? You have told us the dosage, and we don't know how to administer honey in our daily life or in our chickens. Then, as I told you, you can either dissolve it in the drinking water according to the recommended I have told you, a half cup of the honey in a very good clean drinking water, or you can still mix a small portion in their feeds. It is still fine, but a very small portion, because when you use too much, it's not good. If you are still watching this video till now, don't hesitate to click on like button if you have learned something from it, and share this information so that other people can get to understand this information. It may be valuable to them, we don't know. So thank you so much, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss other upcoming episodes which are amazing like this. See you soon in the next episode.